Today we're making goguma mattang. It's a popular Korean sweet potato dish that's crispy on the outside and softy on the inside. It's surprisingly simple to make at home. Some people enjoy it as a dessert, while others eat it as a snack. It's perfect when you want something sweet and comforting. Let's get started. These days, buying groceries online is probably the most common way to shop in Korea. My sister, who is cooking in the video, did the same. But the sweet potatoes that arrived were much smaller than we expected. Things like this happen from time to time when shopping online. Especially with fruits and vegetables, they are usually sold by weight. So it's hard to know their actual size. Has this ever happened to you? Have you ever ordered something online and thought, wait, that's much smaller than I expected? When I think of goguma mattang, I remember my mom making it for me when I was a child. To me, it's very much a homemade dish. I've actually never seen it sold outside. I think many Koreans probably feel the same way. Sometimes on cooking shows, people take one bite of a dish and say, it reminds me of someone or it brings back old memories. When I was younger, I used to think that was a bit exaggerated. But now I think, oh, maybe food really can do that. If you're feeling creative, you could even try replacing the sweet potatoes with something else. Personally, I think carrots might work well too, because they're quite firm. I've never tried it though, so don't blame me if it turns into a disaster. Now I'll show you how we eat king crab in Korea. In Korea, we usually enjoy king crab in a few different ways. We eat the big chunks of meat first, mix rice with the tomalley, and use the smaller leftover pieces to make ramyun. I'll show you all of them. I'm not sure what it's like in your country, but king crab is really expensive in Korea. It's definitely not something we can eat very often. Come to think of it, many ingredients in Korea feel quite expensive in general. Meat, seafood, vegetables, and fruit all seem expensive compared to the average income here. Maybe that's why king crab feels a bit special. So, just in case, I bought a lottery ticket last week. Mixing rice with crab tomalley might look a little unusual to some of you, but it's incredibly rich and delicious. If you ever visit Korea, I highly recommend trying it. And that ramyun, it has such a deep crab flavor that it almost doesn't taste like instant noodles at all. Honestly, I kind of want to jump into the video myself. To everyone watching our videos, what did you think of today's video? Thanks to all of you, we've reached 470 subscribers. Our first goal is 1,000 subscribers, and we're already almost halfway there. We couldn't have done it without your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd really appreciate if you did. See you again soon.